Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2024 Yukon 412DB fifth wheel. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom with a loft fifth wheel. This thing is packed full of great features. We're going to take a few minutes, run you through the inside and outside of this beautiful RV and kind of show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 Yukon 412DB fifth wheel here. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up, this is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom unit. Even has a little loft we'll check out here shortly. But let's start back here in the back of the RV, and then we're going to kind of work our way forward. So in the very, very back, we have one of our bathrooms. So there is an entry-exit door bringing you in and out of this bathroom. So that's kind of good if you got kids. They can kind of run in here without tracking up the whole RV. You have a porcelain foot flush toilet. You have some drawers, counter space, sink space here, and quite a few cabinets as well for your towels and linens and things. But a lot of space here. Magnetic catches, soft close hinges on your cabinet doors as well. Over there, you're going to have basically a step-in shower. It does, I'd say, probably have about 4 or 5 inches of depth to it. So it's not real deep, but it's basically just a step-in shower. Back into this area of the bedroom, you're going to have a tri-fold sofa. So this will flip out and make into a bed, so you could sleep 2 people here if you wanted to. You'll notice that slide floor kind of matches the main floor as well. You got a little step up and down area to get you into the living room area. Jensen's TV right there. Some more storage. So you got a little bit of shelf space in there. Kind of the same thing over here. Like how they do the nicer raised panels in there as well. There's also a motion light up here. I just turned it in on mode instead of motion, but it is a motion light. Now, just above that is going to be your little loft area. So you got a nice little ladder here to climb up. So you can kind of see back here, there's some USB charger ports back here, your TV hookups up here, also one of the 3 air conditioners, and a lot of mattress space here. So depending on who's sleeping up here, you may or may not want to keep all the mattress set up here. You might just put, if there's only 1 or 2 people sleeping up there, that's a lot of room for kids. Give them a little more playroom. You have ceiling fan up above, a couple speakers in here as well. Nice hang down pendant lighting, turbo exhaust fan there. And then you're going to have another air conditioner right here. All right, so over here across from the theater seat, you're going to have a 40-inch Furrion fireplace. Basically a fancy electric space heater. You do have that IRV technology radio there, and you have another Jensen TV. That's on a up and down motor controlled button here. And there's a window back in behind there. So if you're cooking and need a little more counter space or something and you're not really wanting to watch TV, you could maybe use that section over there if you want to. But it's really meant more for a TV. Big island here. There's 4 drawers in the island, and you even have your trash can area here. and some storage underneath the sink area as well. Full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. They have the Insignia oven, which gives you a really nice large oven, 4-burner cooktop, the window there in the back, and then you also have big microwave, some storage up above. You're going to have that large Furrion refrigerator as well with an ice maker built in. Over here you have basically a pantry area, or you could do a washer dryer area here. So you could do a combo washer dryer or a stack washer dryer. You have hookups right here. These shelves are removable, and there's also a motion light in there as well, just up really high. More storage, a little bit of counter space there, maybe make a little coffee bar or something out of it. Traditional table and chair setup here. There's 2 folding chairs also that come with it. They're currently underneath the master bed up there. Power theater seat with some cup holders and storage built into the middle, and huge windows there as well. You're going to have your electric box with the breakers and fuses, some control panel stuff here as well. And then we're going into the master bathroom area here. It's kind of starting from the floor up. You got your porcelain toilet there. There's some drawers and counter space, everything in here. Step-in shower, glass enclosure, adjustable shower head, skylight above, little vent fan up there as well. And you can go in there directly from the bedroom. Stepping into the bedroom area here. You have windows on both sides of the bed, little shelf space there, dimmable lights up here, and you're going to have the bed raises up for extra storage. A lot of drawer space here. There's a laundry hamper on the right and some hanging closet space as well behind the mirror section. But it is kind of a shorter hanging closet space, so would be a little tougher for like a long dress or something, but some dresser space over there as well, and electric outlet down here. You'll notice throughout parts of the RV where we'll see these little lightning bolt things here. Those are outlets that can work off of an inverter. So if you got a good battery system, you could maybe run a CPAP machine or some different things that you might need to use. All right, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour of the new 2024 Yukon. We're going to bounce out to the outside, show you around the outside real quick, and then we're going to come back in and close it up. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2024 Dutchmen Yukon 412DB fifth wheel here. Starting on the door side for you. First things up, you have a white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall, lower black metal skirting, and some vinyl graphics. You have 2 power awnings on this unit. You're going to have slide out awning covers over top of the slide rooms as well. It has deep tint safety glass windows. It has a 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling jack system. You have solar prep on the side here, so you could plug in an extra portable solar panel if you needed to. One of your 2 30-pound propane tanks. Now right here you have your solar charge controller and an on-off kill switch for the 200-watt solar panel that's already on the roof. There's electric outlet and some light switches in here. You can see some of that aluminum tube framing there. Baggage door held up by magnetic holders instead of plastic clips. You do have a window in your entry-exit door. You have the heavy-duty MoreRide entrance step rated for 500 pounds instead of the cheaper 300-pound hover step. You also have a little storage box just in behind that step that you could access when the step is up. Large folding entry handle here. There is 2 outdoor speakers here. Electric outlet as well right here. Down below here you can see you have aluminum wheels, drum brakes. You can also see those other auto level jacks back here. This thing has an outdoor kitchen right here. There is a gas line hookup down below, but you have a 2-burner gas stove top that slides in and out, some shelf space, mini fridge, and you also have a TV right here as well. And they are using Jensen TV out here also. Your back entry exit door here going into the main bath has that heavy duty MoreRide step on it as well. Ladder getting you up and down on and off the roof. These ladders are rated for 250 pounds. Black tank flush to clean out the back toilet system. You have that camera up there as well. That attaches to a phone app, allowing you to use your smartphone to see what's going on behind you when you're traveling down the road. Again, you can see slide out awning covers up there, just kind of helping shade and protect the rooms. Right down here is going to be where you have the bathroom in the back dump area. So you got your gray and black handles and everything coming out right here. Then going forward a little bit more here, we're going to have the dump area for the main living room, kitchen, bathroom area up here. So you got everything coming out of here, but there's a gray handle there and then a black and gray handle up here also. There's a small storage compartment right here, your on-demand water heater right here, detachable power cord, furnace also right here. You have the docking station right here. Has your black tank flush for the front bath, water inlet, winterization inlet, outside utility shower, gravity fill fresh water tank. You got your cable satellite stuff right here to hook up if you want to. There is jack controls right here as well. Second 30-pound propane tank. Step back here so you can kind of see down the side a little better. Now right here you're going to have some informational stickers here. Let's take a look. We got our production date sticker telling us this particular unit was built 11/8 of 23. It has an 18,000 pound gross vehicle weight. That's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Don't exceed that number. It had a dry weight of 15,240 pounds. You have ST215 75R 17.5-inch H-rated tires. 123 PSI cold. Keep up with your tire pressure. That is very, very important on there. Down here, you got your spare tire mounted underneath here, battery area, hydraulic reservoir for your jacks and stuff. You also have some battery disconnects up there. There is a light in there as well. Currently using the Rotoflex pen box here, which helps with some of the chucking. You got kind of like a little rubber boot suspension stuff in here. Beautiful front fiberglass cap. 3 LED light strips in there. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this video. Greatly appreciated. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you don't mind helping out my channel. And we're going to bounce inside here real quick, close it up for you. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now back up inside the new 2024 Yukon 412DB here. I just wanted to kind of show you what this thing looks like closed up for you. So I went ahead and closed up 3 of the 4 slides to speed this part up for you a little bit. So when it is closed, I could still come back through the back bathroom into this bedroom area here. So if I needed to come in, maybe load some stuff up in here, I could do so. However, the sofa is not going to flip out into full bed mode. With the kitchen slide closed, it would be very hard to get up into the loft. It's almost, unless you're really super skinny, small child or something, you're not really getting up in there very well. Everything comes in real close to each other, so it's very important to make sure all your drawers and doors and stuff are closed up. Make sure your floor is clean so you don't accidentally run something over and rip and damage your floor. These are all 12-volt powered slides. So as long as you got a pretty good charged up battery system, you should be able to roll this thing in and out pretty well. Now I can still come up in here and get into my bedroom area. I got a little bit of room to maneuver around up here if I needed to. So if you're stopping at a rest area or something, you could come up here and maybe take a nap. You got full access to your bathroom as well. Now, what does stop me from using a lot of the RV is going to be this big slide over here. When I close up this slide here, it's going to come all the way over here to the island, and I'm not going to be able to travel back and forth through here anymore. Just to kind of show you real quick what this looks like coming in. So you can see when it's closed up, I still could come in here and maybe wash my hands or something, but I'm not really climbing around over top of the tables and the couch and things and risking damaging something. So I would recommend just hitting the button, push it right back out. Only takes a few seconds to go right on back out. Pretty quick and easy. If you don't mind, guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Help out my channel. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Thanks again.